I could actually send tips or gifts to those users. So here we have, you can see my coin balance is about, I have 10,000 coins. I actually could gift some of those coins to the user. So the user would see that on their, coin transactions. So now these are various coin plans that exist. So if I want to buy these coins, I can actually do that through an in-app purchase. So we've set these plans up and they're all managed from the, the App Store and the Play Store. If I want to see all the transactions, whatever I've been using my coins for, I can see them here. This is where I see my transaction balance. If I want to buy one of these plans, I can go in and it will send me through the in-app purchase program to buy it. But I don't want to do that right now. How do I use these coins, right? Now, if I go to let's say if I go to my matches and let's say I like this user, right? I could actually click on the super like option. And if I want to super like, it would tell me if you want to super like Elena, you need to spend 9 coins. So when I super like somebody, the other user gets informed that they received a like, right? So they don't really have to wait for swiping right, but they just get notified that I like their profile. So this way, I sort of get more visibility with the other user. So if I want to super like this user, I click on super like, and it would reduce my coin balance by that amount, right? And let me look at this one profile that I had passed. So I had passed Bella's profile. So let me just show you how Bella's profile is. I'll click on that profile. So Bella has a video uploaded. So if I click on the plus icon, the video starts playing, and then I can scroll through different images on Bella's profile. Now I can see all the information about Bella. If I want to send her a compliment, now this is a message before I've got matched. So I had passed Bella, but then I decided to change my mind. So I'm sending her a compliment. Hey, how's it going, right? So when I send her this message, this would be a message that she would receive, but I haven't been matched with that user yet, right? So this is what we call chat before match. It's another way to monetize coins or use coins on the app, and another monetization feature on the product. So when I send her a message, it would create a chat between me and Bella, and I get charged a certain number of coins, right? So that's how the chat before match feature works. I can then send her another hey, right? And then that would send her a text. So we've also managed the read, unread and read count on the product. So I can actually see how if the message has been read or not read, right? So now let me show you the other features on the chat. So I could send an image from the camera. I could send an image from the gallery, right? So we have all those features built in. If I want to send a location, I can send that. If I want to send an audio note, I can send that, right? So if I record one right now, hey, how's it going? So I can send that to Bella, and then she would receive it on the other end. Now, if I want to block the user, I can block it. If I want to clear my chat, I can clear it. Now, if I request a date, like if I go back to Bella's profile and I'm like, hey, I think I really like this girl, let me send her, start liking her profile now. So now, since Bella already had liked me, we basically have got matched with each other. So I can see this match notification. And now I can decide whether I want to send her a message or I want to schedule a date. So now when I send her a message, you see that I don't have to spend any, since I've got matched with the user, I don't have the need to, send a message. I don't need to spend coins to send a text to Bella. So now the messages will all be free, right? Because now I've been matched with that user. So that's really the difference between the chat before match and chat with the match, right? The chat with the match does not charge you any coins.